It's been a long time since you've heard from me, but I'm back. And this time with some valuable information that can change your life. Hi friends. Royalty Growth here. And today we're going to talk about the 10 things in affiliate marketing that will help you make more money. This one is for all my fellow hustlers out there who have been struggling financially this year. But first, let me explain who is and what makes an affiliate marketer. An affiliate marketer is someone who introduces others to products and services. The affiliate marketer doesn't have to be the person that develops the product, ships the product, or handles the payment to the merchant. He simply refers others to products and/or services offered on the internet, and when a sale is made, he earns a commission. Not that you understand the business model. If you'd like to continue to receive notifications that can help you gain more knowledge and wealth, then make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell notification bell so you don't miss a thing or one of my future uploads. Number 1. How can you get started as an affiliate? Affiliate marketing is big. There are millions of people already making their main source of income from the internet and working from home like me. To get started as an affiliate, you need to learn some basic strategies and build various methods of generating traffic from the internet to those offers. A lot of affiliates start with a simple website. Many people just blog on their website about their passion. If you don't have a passion or interest to blog about, you can start by following an online course that will help. See my bio and connect with me on social media after you watch this episode. Number 2. What are the best things about affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing offers an incredible amount of flexibility and freedom. You can work an affiliate business from anywhere in the world providing you have a laptop and an internet connection. And that is a fact. You can choose your hours and build your home business up around existing work. Many people come into affiliate marketing because it offers this kind of flexibility. That is why I started too. You can choose your priorities in life. Spend more time with family, choose your working hours, travel, and work abroad. No more commuting to work or working long hours for a boss you don't like. Affiliate marketing also offers incredible growth and scalability. A local business is always limited to the people who can travel to that business. An online business can be global. Using digital products in conjunction with a global reach, you can scale using tools and software to reach thousands of people through digital technology. By using automation, much of the work involved with an online business can be pre-built. By building automation into the business model, you can focus your activities on reaching a larger audience through content creation and paid to advertise. Number 3. What's the best affiliate program to use? There are many different affiliate models, all offering something different to suit the individual. Some affiliates target search traffic and aim to get their content found on Google. Some create their products and sell them directly to customers. However, having a range of products that you can sell over and over to existing customers is a great model for long-term success. Selling a single item online is limited. It means you can only make one commission from each sale. By choosing membership products to promote, which also offer back-end sales and a built-in sales team, you can benefit from monthly commissions and upsell commissions for the lifetime of any given customer. Selling membership products is a game changer when it comes to affiliate marketing because you make an income from each customer, rather than a single commission. But a good model to choose is one for which you have a passion and can keep doing for the long term. Choosing products that you have no interest in is a short-sighted plan. Think about what you would like to do online to generate an income. If you choose to go with your passion, your business will last much longer and be more successful. Trust me. Number 4. Can you do it? One of the great things about affiliate marketing is that the technology is now available to allow anyone to build their own online business. As long as you are prepared to learn and implement that knowledge, anyone who can operate an email can use online platforms and tools to build their own online business. The main thing you need is the desire to learn. Affiliate marketing isn't for everyone though. It does take a decent amount of work to start, but you will be rewarded financially. Number 5. How long does it take to make a living? Some people go into affiliate marketing intending to create a second income. Some people want to make big money. Depending on how much time you can dedicate to your affiliate business, and how dedicated you are to it, is a big factor in determining your results. Results vary from person to person. With a large advertising budget and the right business model, some affiliates have replaced their living in 6 to 12 months. For others, it can take years before it replaces their existing income. Depending on your approach, advertising budget, and business model, it can take between 3 months and several years to build it to a point where it can replace an existing income. Number 6. Can you just sell your products? Many affiliates create their products to sell online. However, when you are starting, it is a good idea to learn the fundamentals of marketing first. That way you can start earning more quickly from your affiliate business. I spent a long time creating my products when I first discovered affiliate marketing. But I didn't sell anything because of a couple of reasons. Firstly, I didn't research whether my products would have a big enough demand. Secondly, I didn't know how to market them. By finding a mentor that teaches you how to market products first, you can start making money more quickly. Don't waste time creating products if you don't know how to sell them. Marketing is a much more important skill for making money online. Once you know this skill, you can then apply it later when marketing your products and services. Also, your products will be limited in range. By using an existing product range, you can benefit from products that are already selling. You can choose a program that offers high-ticket commission, monthly memberships, back-end sales, and a built-in sales team. Building your products that offer all of these things is not a possibility for most people when starting. Number 7. What are the struggles of an affiliate business? You need to dedicate some time to your affiliate business for it to work for the long term. Some people go into affiliate marketing thinking it is some magic pill that will pay them instantly in cash. Much like a job, you can't expect to get out more than you put in. Affiliate marketing is performance related. This means you don't get paid unless you can successfully sell products and services online. If you don't know what you are doing, it can take years to do this. You can't be a dabbler and expect to earn a lot of money. The big earnings are created over years of hard work. Don't expect to achieve this with only a small amount of input. Number 8. Why are you struggling with my affiliate business? A lot of people struggle with their affiliate businesses. This can be for several reasons. Firstly, building up an affiliate business takes time. You need to dedicate a lot of time to an affiliate business in the first place. Only when you reach a tipping point do you start to see your progress. Many affiliates simply don't realize how much work is involved. They underestimate how much time they need to dedicate to their online business to make it work. Paid advertising can allow you to grow your affiliate business quickly. But it costs money and you need the right products too. You can't advertise small value items with paid advertising. You won't generate enough profit to cover your advertising costs. You need a range of products and an email list to advertise through. Content marketing takes much longer to work, depending on your chosen area of business. If you find an untapped niche to market your blog in, you can make some fast progress. However, with a competitive niche, you will struggle to get noticed above all the other content which you will have to compete with. There are several reasons why you might struggle. The main one is lack of knowledge. Get the right education and mentor first and your affiliate business will move much faster. Number 9. What's the point of affiliate marketing? Some people struggle with the concept of affiliate marketing. They think it sounds too pushy. When I understood affiliate marketing, I immediately found it appealing simply because I needed a flexible way to work around my DJ work. I'm a musician at heart. I have no reason to be stuck in an office. I was psychologically unemployable. I wanted to work from my laptop and affiliate marketing gave me that opportunity. For many people, this is the reason why they choose affiliate marketing. They can earn an income from their laptop, choose their working hours and not have a boss or place of employment. You don't have to sell directly to anyone or even talk to a customer. Added to this, the scalability of affiliate marketing, which lets you scale up to a global audience and deliver products on autopilot, makes it the best flexible business of the future. Number 10. Starting an affiliate marketing business is cheap. You don't need a lot of money to get started. Most affiliate programs are free to join, and the biggest chunk of your costs will go to referral and/or marketing of the services or products. And even those costs, if the marketing is done correctly, are way lower than having to rent a commercial property. You've watched this video. You probably already have access to a computer, which means you can leave that startup cost already out. This means you already know more than 98.8% of the world populations now go out there and make a dent in the world and in the universe. If you think you found value and know a little bit more about how to grow your home business, remember to smash the like button and the notification bell. And leave a comment on what topic you would like for me to cover next and would like to learn more about. I'm looking to start posting at least 3 videos a week on this YouTube channel. I love you guys and want to see you grow. I'll leave you guys with this quote. Business opportunities are like buses, there's always another one coming. Richard Branson. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.